Tired of cooking, guys. I think I need to hire a cook. I cook too much. Cook, cook, cook. But then you gotta cook. See what's happening in the restaurant. Wow, what people say they're doing in the restaurants with your food. I gotta cook, guys. I gotta cook. Like crazy out here. So, you know what? Let me cook my own dinner. Quick sausage and veggie, guys. And I'll make a little spaghetti to go with it. Nothing fancy. But I'm cooking my own dinner. Pepper, spice it up, spice it up. Yummy veggies. Now let me go boil some pasta. Some spaghetti. Just a little spaghetti, guys. Quick cooking. I'm tired, but I have to cook. I'm using some regular pasta, spaghetti, and some whole wheat spaghetti. Yeah. So our spaghetti, guys. Okay, guys, so this is our quick little dinner. Some spaghetti, some sausage and peppers, some onions. That's it. Try some sausage. Good enough for me. Okay guys, thanks for watching this short video. Please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and welcome to the channel, guys. Subscribe, follow us, like the video, share the video, and see you again, guys, on another one. Thanks for watching.